Why, good morning, everybody. In the greater Kingman area, it's a beautiful 70 degrees outside and a slight breeze. This fine early morning, I washed my aircraft. Look at it shine. Primarily because it was extremely dirty. I was going to film it, but I got lazy and I wanted to wash it instead. Sorry. But right now, we are looking for FOD. Found some soap on the ground. Oh, that's right, it's just soap. It'll blow away. It looks prettier when it's clean. See? Look, you can actually even see the tail rotor. Look at that. Bullseye coming up at you. Oh, got a little stinger. Ooh. Oh no, it's not focusing. I'm moving too fast. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm sorry. But yeah, it did come out. I didn't wipe it down very well. And that's the reason why we have streaks. The wind was kind of moving along here. Oh well, I did my daily. I did my FOD check. I washed it. I got here a little late to watch the sun come up, but I'll try that again next time. Y'all have a lovely day.